If you want to use game launch options in Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable launch options, enter your commands, and make sure they apply every time you start the game. This is super useful if you want to force a specific graphics mode, launch in windowed mode, or use other startup commands to improve performance or fix issues. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games launcher and log into your account. Once you're inside the launcher, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From there, go into Settings. This is where Epic Games keeps the options for your launcher and installed games. Now scroll down until you find the Manage Games section. Under this area, locate the game you want to change. If the game list is collapsed, click the arrow to expand it. After that, look for the option that says Additional Command Line Arguments and tick the box to enable it. This is the setting that unlocks launch options for that specific game. Once you enable it, a text box will appear underneath. This is where you can type in your launch command. For example, if you want to force DirectX 11, you can type -DX11. If you want the game to open in full screen, type -Fullscreen. If you want it to start in a window, use -Windowed. And if your game supports it, you can also try commands like -NoVid to skip intro videos. Just be sure to enter only the commands you actually need. Some games respond differently to launch options, so it's a good idea to use one command at a time if you're testing a fix or trying to improve performance. Once you've typed your launch option, you can simply close the settings menu. Epic Games autosaves the change, so there's no extra save button to click. After that, launch the game normally from Epic Games. The launch option you entered will apply automatically when the game starts. If the command is supported by that game, you should see the effect right away. And that's how to use game launch options in Epic Games. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to solve launch problems, improve stability, or customize how a game opens. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more gaming and PC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.